Oh, I'm Homer Simpson. That's a burp. Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. You know what really grind my gears? Teeth nuts. Later you're gonna meet Stewie in the next video. Yeah, I'm Peter Griffin and he's a burp. Oh, that's a good. Bah. Did you meet my friends? Homer Simpson, then Peter Griffin? Yeah, this came out of nowhere. And later in the next video or something, or next few videos, you will meet my other friend called Stewie Griffin. Yep, hope you enjoy. And I'm gonna burp now for your pleasure enjoyment. Oh, if you want Homer Simpson to burp, comment Homer Simpson, please burp. I'll make a burp video. If you want Peter Griffin to make a whole bunch of burp videos or crack jokes, then comment, hey, where's Peter Griffin?